older Lexus RX 330 with the 3.3 code in it for cam crank correlation. It still runs fine and everything. And you line up the timing mark with that dot there and that line. It's lined up. And you look at the back. I'm going to try and fit you in there. But we've got the line marked on there. Lined up at the back there. I don't know if you can see that. It's lined up. And if you look at this one, there's the mark there. But if you look, it should be right there, lined up with that little groove right in there. So that is off one notch. So it does need a timing belt anyway. It's 300,000 kilometers or something like that. But with that code in there, we checked that timing marks and it is off one tooth. So that belt did jump a tooth.